Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram messages not working. So maybe it's not showing or not working. For this, you have to just first of all go for your Play Store app. Now search for Instagram. Update your Instagram if it's available here. So I have already updated it. Then go back and next go for settings. Click on apps and notification. Search for your Instagram and go for it. Go for storage and cache. Clear cache and go back. Now you can go on Messenger and you can message to your friends. This is how you can fix your problem. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.